Hey, welcome back to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa and I'm going to be showing you how to make a cat in a cookie jar, and it's going to be a surprise fold. So first thing we need to do is fold our paper. I'm going to fold mine in half like this. And then I'm going to get that top layer and then fold it to the bottom, just like this. Now I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to get this layer and bring that to the top. There we go. And now I'm going to turn it back and open it up, and we should have a paper that looks like this. And then when you fold it down, it should be a little surprise fold. There we go. So first step we need to take is get our marker out. And I'm going to put another paper underneath while I draw so that it doesn't bleed through things. And I'm going to put mine right here under the top fold, just like that. Okay, now we're going to make our cookie jar. So start by making a big curve like this, and then go to the other side and make another curve out. Now we're going to make the bottom of the jar by closing that two curves up with a line and connect it. I'm going to make another line that goes around and out and over for the bottom of the jar. I'm going to make some cookies. Let's make a little pile right here, and one cookie is just going to go like this, and then I'm going to make another cookie layering that one like this, and then one more cookie right there, this little pile. Now I'm going to make the lid to the jar. The lid's gonna go here and then go up into the middle. And then when you reach the middle point, we're gonna make a little ball for the top of the jar, like this. And then we're gonna close up the lid to the middle. And now when you reach the middle, we're gonna put a line for that jar that goes all the way across, and I'm still on the top half of the lid. There we go. Now we're gonna make a little symbol here that says cookies. C O O K I E and then your S. Cookies. I'm going to make a little heart that's upside down by making a curve and then another curve out just to be cute, and then one more at the top here. That's just a regular heart. Perfect. Now we're going to open it up, and this is where the fun begins. We're going to make our cat. So let's start by creating the top of the jar, and I want to make it extend out a bit. So make that curve come up a bit like this, and then we're going to make it the same over here, curve up and in. Now we're going to make a cookie dangling from the cat's hand. That's going to be done by making a curve like that, and make sure you don't go past that bottom edge there. And then once you have that curve, we're going to make a U shape like this, and then another U shape. Then that cookie's gonna go up, up, up to about right here. And then we're gonna have the cat's hand holding it. It's just a big circle for the hand, like this. And then 2 little marks for the paws. Now we're gonna create the top of the jar by making a line. And that line's gonna start from about here, where the hand is, and then go across, 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 and stop. And we're gonna put another hand right here. And then another line is gonna go across to make the same thing. That other hand is gonna go up and around like a big circle again. And then 2 lines, just like that. And then we're going to connect the top of the jar, if you haven't already, to the top. And close up all of the lines. There we go. Got a cookie jar. Now we're gonna make the cat. And the cat's gonna come up like this. A big, giant curve. Same thing on the other side. We're gonna start where our curve ended and make a big curve to the paw. Just like that one. Now we're gonna make an ear. That ear is gonna go up and then stop at the lid. We're gonna make another mark for the lid, or for the ear, by making a line down and then a bump across like this. And then we're gonna make that line go into the lid. Then we're gonna make another ear mark by making a line that goes around and into the face. Now we're gonna make some cute facial features by making 2 eyes. One's gonna go here, big circle, and then another one over here, another big circle. We're gonna make a nose. I'm just gonna make like an oval for the nose. I'm gonna color that in black. And then a pattern that looks like this. And same thing for the other side. Looks like a little hook. For the whiskers, I'm gonna make 1 and 2 and 3 marks. Same thing for the other side. We're gonna do 1 and 2 and the last one 3. There we go. Now for the eyes, you can color it in black, or you can make them pop out and shiny by drawing a big circle and then a smaller one like this. Same thing for the other side, big circle and then a smaller one. And then you'll color the outsides black and leave the insides white. And also when I'm coloring this, I'm going to make a triangle in the ears, but that's gonna be a color, and then I'll make some more marks for the hair or the fur. And for the cookies, I'll put little dots for the chocolate chips in brown, but it's up to you. You can mark it in pencil or your Sharpie, whatever you're doing. I'm gonna check my work really quick. Cookie jar looks pretty good. Open it up, here's our cat. So let's color it in. Here we go. Here's the cute cookie jar, and when you open it up, here is our cat stealing a cookie. As you can see, I didn't put my paper under my drawing when I was coloring, and there's a little red streak, but I'm not afraid to show my mistakes, and hopefully it will help you. So please subscribe for new drawings and like this video if you enjoyed this drawing, and I will see you next time. Bye.